I received this from Greenco, and it's a 10-pack of shoe box organizers. And look how nice these are. They're all clear, and they're also very easy to assemble. And it's really nice because just like that, you're able to see what shoes you want to wear for the day. Plus, since they're stackable, you'll be able to save space as well. And each of these measure 8.5 inches by 13.5 inches by 5 inches in height. These will hold shoes, boots, high heels, and even so much more. You can put your favorite books inside here, or jewelry, or toys, or other items that you want to keep away from dust. And even pictures too. So look how nice this is, and look how nice and flat they are. So when not in use, it's very easy to fold it away and put it away. So let me show you how easy it is to unfold. So the way I like to do it is I like to get it like this and then fold it back on the other side on the crease, just like this. And then there you go, here's the box. And then we're gonna get these flaps out, just like this. And we're gonna do that for all 4 sides, just like this. So here is a close-up. I've already unfolded them all. And as you can see, this side has a notch. So I've already punched that out. And then we're going to take these 2 sides right here and put them back in, and then fold this here. And then right here, there's a notch. So we're going to slip this into that area. And there you go. And it holds it just like an envelope would. Now we're going to repeat this step on this side. Of course, you're going to be able to put your shoes inside, and then you're going to fold it just like this. Fold this up, and this side has a square. So this, you can easily do it like this again, putting it this side, or you can also just put it inside as well, just like this. So this is what it looks like. Very easy to put together. It is also textured, and as you can see, there are ventilation holes to keep everything nice and fresh. As you saw, it's very easy to put together, and I absolutely love it. These are made of high quality plastic and also very durable as well. And it also fits under the bed, which is definitely a plus. And I really like it. Very easy to identify my shoes for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.